Ever made a trade and needed that cash or crypto lightning fast? In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, waiting for withdrawals can feel like an eternity. So, the question on everyone's mind, does Kraken offer instant withdrawals? Hold on to your crypto wallets, folks, because this video dives deep into Kraken's withdrawal system. We'll crack open the Kraken exchange, explore their withdrawal options, and see if you can get your funds out faster than a digital Kraken itself. Now, before we set sail on this crypto withdrawal adventure, a quick disclaimer. The world of crypto is constantly evolving, and withdrawal times can vary depending on factors like network congestion and your chosen withdrawal method. But fear not, Crypto Comrade, we'll be equipping you with the knowledge to navigate these digital waters. So, let's get down to Kraken and see what withdrawal options they offer. Kraken's withdrawal arsenal. What are your options? Kraken provides a few different withdrawal methods, each with its own processing time frame. Here's a breakdown of the most common ones. Bank wire transfer. This is a traditional method, but it can be the slowest. Depending on your bank and location, it can take several business days for the funds to appear in your account. Patience is key here. ACH transfer, USD only. This is a US-specific option that's generally faster than a wire transfer. You can expect the funds to reach your bank account within 3 to 5 business days. Cryptocurrency withdrawals. Here's where things get interesting. Withdrawing crypto directly from Kraken to your own wallet is generally the fastest option. Processing times depend on the specific cryptocurrency and network congestion. Bitcoin withdrawals, for example, can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, while lesser-known coins might take longer. The all-important question, are there instant withdrawals? Alright, the moment you've all been waiting for. Unfortunately, Kraken doesn't offer true instant withdrawals in the strictest sense. There's always some processing time involved, even with crypto withdrawals. However, compared to traditional bank transfers, crypto withdrawals on Kraken can feel pretty darn close to instant. Especially when the network isn't congested, you could have your crypto chilling in your own wallet within minutes. Factors affecting your withdrawal speed. Here are some things to keep in mind that can impact your withdrawal speed on Kraken. Network congestion. Imagine a highway packed with cars. That's what a congested blockchain network looks like. When there are a lot of transactions happening on a specific crypto network, it can take longer for your withdrawal to be confirmed. Verification level. Kraken has different verification levels for its users. Higher verification levels generally allow for faster withdrawal limits. So, if you're a frequent trader who needs speedy withdrawals, consider getting verified. Withdrawal amount. Larger withdrawal amounts might take slightly longer to process, especially for certain cryptocurrencies. Tips for faster withdrawals on Kraken. Alright, so while instant withdrawals might be a crypto myth, there are ways to optimize your withdrawal speed on Kraken. Here are some pro tips. Choose the right crypto. If speed is your top priority, consider withdrawing a cryptocurrency known for faster transaction times. For example, Litecoin is generally faster than Bitcoin. Minimize network congestion. Try to avoid withdrawing during peak trading hours when the network might be congested. Research the typical trading patterns for your chosen cryptocurrency and plan your withdrawals accordingly. Get verified. As mentioned earlier, higher verification levels on Kraken often come with faster withdrawal limits. Keep it simple. Stick to withdrawing the most popular cryptocurrencies on Kraken. Less common coins might have slower processing times due to lower network activity. The final verdict, speedy Kraken or slow and steady. While Kraken doesn't offer true instant withdrawals, crypto withdrawals on the platform are generally much faster than traditional bank transfers. With a little planning and strategy, you can optimize your withdrawal speed and get your funds out of Kraken in a timely manner. Remember, the crypto world is constantly evolving, so withdrawal times and options might change over time. Always refer to Kraken's official documentation for the latest updates. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading and fast withdrawals.